If you want to know how to record the audio part of your online meetings, may be done through Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, BlueJeans, anything, or Cisco WebEx, we will see exactly how to do that in this video. Here are a couple of things to remember. This process is to record the conversation one way only. That is what the other party on the call is talking. It won't record your voice. If you want two-way recordings to be done, then use another external source like your phone's inbuilt voice recorder kept near your computer. We will revisit on how this is done towards the end of this video so that you can see how to synchronize both the audio files, the one that was recorded online from the other party and the other one which is coming through your phone. Let's get started. What we are going to now see is a simple recording of audio coming out of your speakers using a software called Audacity. And we are going to make use of that technique to record the official calls and meetings. Let's see how this works. First, get Audacity installed. It's pretty straightforward. If you're not sure how to install Audacity for Windows or Mac, please seek Google's or YouTube's help in finding a related post or video to get that done. So once you're done with that installation, next make sure you connect your headphones through which you speak during your calls. Usually, Audacity shows the name of your headphone here in this drop-down. This is the audio output source through which you listen to the voice from the other end of your call. If you don't use headphones for your calls and listen directly through the inbuilt speakers, you can choose your relevant output here. Another tip here is to use stereo recording instead of mono. This gives better clarity output when you listen to it after recording. Of course, all this setup needs to be done before your call begins. So this is now all set up and ready to record. Now hit on this button before your call starts. When the source output starts emitting sound, the recording also begins. Here's a sample. I'm using Zoom to do this demo. So this is now started and it will listen to any audio that's coming through this audio input source from here. So that's how it records the audio that's coming from your online meetings, and you can take note of the recordings through Audacity. Alright, so now we also spoke about how to record two-way voice recordings. As in, you also, let's say that you have a phone beside, you have also switched on inbuilt voice recorder on your phone to record your voice. And once you record that, your own voice, you have to save it in your phone and export it into WAV or MP3 format. Preferably WAV because that can be good for editing purposes, and then you need to import that into Audacity by just dragging and dropping here. And once you add your file, you can see that there's one more track that gets added, and in this you can synchronize based on where you have the gaps on the other end, and that's where you fill your voice. So you need to just use this tool over here by using the time shift tool to drag this file and match where your audio files are overlapping. And that's how you can get a two-way recording done. Care should be taken before implementing this practice because some companies and some organizations treat this as lack of trust on the side of the employee or against any policy they may have. So please use this method with care and prudence because the only intent here is to help in taking call notes later on, even after the call is over. And this is not to keep anyone accountable or catch hold of in terms of like anonymous recordings. Better still, you can let the other party know that you want to record this call just for your own sake to take notes later on, and then you are assuring that you're going to delete the file. The best way to make use of this technique without getting into trouble is to not save or export your recordings but delete them once and for all without saving it after you finish taking the relevant notes from your Audacity recordings. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit on the like button and subscribe for more such tech videos in the future. I'll see you again in another video. Until then, please take care. Bye.